Hi guys, in this lecture you will be learning the comment. So first of all, what is the comment? The comment is used to write the explanation or the detail of our code. The comment is only written by the programmer, edited by the programmer and removed by the programmer, and it is also visible only to the programmer. The comment is not visible in the output. So there are two types of comment. First type is the single line comment, second type is the multi-line comment. So here I'm gonna apply the single line comment. So here you see that I have already created the class and the project. Here is the comment and this line prints hello world, and here I'm gonna write the explanation of this line. First of all, for writing the single line comment we have to write forward slashes, then this line print hello world. So this is the way of writing the comment. So now let's execute it. First save it, and here you see that here is the only hello world is printed. This line is not printed because when the compiler compiled this program, so compiler ignored this line due to these forward slashes. So here I want to tell you another thing, that is in the single line comment we are able to write only one line. If we want to write the second line, so here you see that there is an error because this is just a simple text. So we have to write the forward slashes again because the compiler does not recognize it is the comment. So here you see that this is the way of writing the single line comment, and using this strategy you can create the single line comment as many as we want. I want to tell you another thing, that is the multi-line comment. So first of all, what is the multi-line comment? The multi-line comment cover more than one line. In the multi-line comment we are able to write more than one line. So here I'm gonna remove these forward slashes and change it into the multi-line comment. First of all, at the start of the comment we have to write forward slash and static, and then at the end of the comment we have to write static and the forward slash and save it. So now let's run it, and here you see that here is only hello world is printed, and we are also able to write any kind of text in the comment. We are also able to write the code in the text. Here I'm gonna cut this, and here I'm gonna paste this. So here you see that there is no text is printed because this code is changed into the comment, and compiler does not print this comment. I hope you understand this lecture.